today we will be talking about AFC, a Japanese brand, which mainly is a stem cell therapy. So it's a very trendy thing. The number of cells in our body is about 60 to 100 trillion. The cells every day are replaced. So in 80 to 100 days, 30 trillion cells will have replenished. So in 80 days, we are a totally new person. So our brain every day, it loses 190,000 cells. Our blood cells per second would lose 2 million cells. The skin cells in one day, 40,000 skin cells will be lost. So as you can see, cells are very important. So if we have enough good cells, our body will be healthy. So this is an illustration of how our stem cell, the number of stem cells in our body is like, the proportion of stem cell. So when you are a baby, you have one stem cell to every 10,000 cells in your body. So if you are a child, you have one stem cell to every 100,000 cells in your body. When you are an adult, you only get one stem cell in every 250,000 total cells in your body. So as you can see, when you are a senior, you have only one stem cell against 2 million total cells in your body. The number of stem cells is getting less and less. So we probably have to replenish cells and help our bodies to grow more stem cells. So I will show you a video.
Whenever there is an injury or a challenge to an organ or tissue, a whole process of renewal takes place in the body to help restore optimal health. Soon after the injury, the affected tissue releases specific compounds that travel through the blood to the bone marrow. When the compounds released by the injured tissue reach the bone marrow, these messengers tell the stem cells in the bone marrow to divide and create new stem cells, which are then released from the bone marrow into the bloodstream. Slowly, the number of stem cells increases in the blood circulation. At the same time, the affected tissue releases another compound called stromal-derived factor 1, or SDF1, that attracts stem cells. As stem cells circulate in the fine blood vessels of the affected tissue and sense the presence of this compound, they stop in the blood flow and migrate into the tissue. Inside the tissue, stem cells slowly migrate to the very site of injury where SDF1 is being secreted. When they reach the site of the injury and come into contact with the damaged tissue, stem cells begin to multiply and then slowly transform into cells of that tissue. Through this process of amplification, one stem cell can become thousands of tissue cells. It is through this natural process of renewal that the body maintains optimal health every day of our lives.
Many people go for stem cell therapy. Okay, so there are different opinions about stem cell. Of course, it's a very sought after therapy that people hope they will do stem cell therapy to increase the stem cell in the body so as to have a better health. Why stem cell therapy might not work for older patients? There are reasons. So if you want to know more, just Google it. There are so many information in the internet now, and you can even ask some doctors about it. And some people also might not be eligible for transplant if they have other major health issues, so such as serious heart disease, lung disease, liver or kidney diseases. So stem cell is good, but then may not be suitable for
Hi, my name is Ross Hauser. I am the medical director at Caring Medical.
You look at it,
the procedure you're about to view.
And it also might carry some risk. And as all of us know, it's very costly. Start from 60,000 to about 200,000 ringgit. So now if we say we have an alternative of stem cell therapy, which is a cheaper alternative with the same effectiveness and no special procedures required, and of course, no pain, no worry, no risk. So are you interested in this? Yeah. So I think everybody would be very interested in such a less costly, very affordable, very safe, very convenient alternative to stem cell treatment. Right? This is a Super Ratio, a product from Japan, and is a stem cell alternative. So there are 3 peptides in Super Ratio. We have the salmon ovary peptide, we have sardine peptide, we also have the fruit flow, which is a vegan peptide. And the nano size of this Super Ratio is 600 Dalton. 600 Dalton is actually very small. Imagine if you compare with our white blood cell, our white blood cell size is about 200,000, whereas Super Ratio is only 600 Dalton. So you can imagine how small these AFC Super Ratio's molecules are. So the smaller it is, the easier for our body to absorb and go into the cells which need the nutrition, right? Here is the ingredients of Super Ratio. We have salmon placenta, we have sardine peptide, fruit flow, and nucleic acid, elastin, hyaluronic acid, fish collagen, glutathione, a lot of antioxidant, amino acid also. So all these things work together as a formula. So some people would think I can take some peptide also, I can take some antioxidant also. But if the formulation is not optimized, the effect of the things that you are taking might not give you the best result, right? So Super Ratio has a very good result because they are with a optimized formulation, and they are scientifically proven and clinically tested with all these patents here. Okay, let me read out to you what are the patents Super Ratio has. They are cell regeneration effect. They have an improved blood circulation effect. They are also anti-hypertensive agent. They prevent blood clotting. Right, so all of these will clean up the bloodstream and help our blood to move freely. The blood will in turn carry oxygen and nutrition to every single cell. 436,000 Americans dies from cardiac arrest every year. Even a pilot just drop that like that. Many of these cases. So if we can prevent it, do you want to do that? If we can prevent it for your family, for your parents, or even for the younger family member, I hope every one of us can prevent it from happening by using SOP. Very simple, very affordable. So here is a statistic about sudden cardiac death. 75% is because of coronary heart disease and some other minor causes. As you can see from the right-hand side, this is your heart and the artery. If any part of these organs here and the related nearby blood vessel are blocked or inflamed or ruptured or the tissues are hardened, it's a very good chance that you will get that kind of a cardiovascular disease, and eventually, like the video just now, and very unfortunate. Okay, so sudden cardiac arrest is the sudden loss of all heart activity due to an irregular heart rhythm. So irregular heartbeat is something that we have to avoid. If you already have it, please just take Super Ratio and go to see a doctor, of course, but you can take Super Ratio to smoothly improve the condition. Right? Super Ratio is a registered and proven safe and recognized by the European Food Safety Authority. And of course, they have a lot of awards So all these are testimony about Super Ratio. Before this, you see these are mostly diabetic ulcers and also wounds. They can heal your wounds in just a very short time. I have a patient who has an ulcer almost as bad as this, but taken Super Ratio only for less than a month, the wound just healed. Okay, so if you have a friend or family who has this problem, please let them know about this product. Please generously share to them. Don't worry about what people say, but you might save lives. This is another diabetic case. You see, the flesh has disappeared and the bone is already shown and turning black. After taking Super Ratio, you see the bone grows back. The bone become white color, become live again, and the muscle, the flesh come back. So here is another, a lot of testimony, bone recovery, burn. People get burned and they can take Super Ratio and in a very short time and get healed. And to everyone's surprise, this product is actually a reverse aging product. As you can see from all these friends here, all these are our friends in Malaysia. You can see the complexion and the whole look, the energy, all turn back to 10 years or even 20 years younger. Yeah, we have Raymond here, you see. Before he take the product, this is, we call it Rocky Road face. And there's a bulging here at the corner of the temple. And this is a swollen blood vessel. So only after 3 weeks, you see everything improve so well. The complexion improved, and this bulging of blood vessel is also improved. And we have Mr. Dan here from Ipoh, a tax consultant. You see, only taking the product for 1 day. You see the wrinkle is so much smoothened. And we have this friend from Indonesia taking the product, become like his son, 20 years younger complexion. And also the acne can be very easily healed. And we have Kimmy here. Kimmy has already got the cruise and happily have her face turned into a much better complexion, only after 45 days. And this product can help people grow hair also, and the hair grow darker after they take a few more boxes. So the second product we are talking about is Usukusu. And Usukusu, I want to highlight, they are 10 times more efficient than collagen. So if you have joint pain and you have tight joints, very tight shoulder, you can take Usukusu. They can easily and very quickly, swiftly solve your problem. So Usukusu is a triple probiotic product. They have 3 very premium probiotic, and the nano size of Usukusu is 800 Dalton. Also very small, which can help you absorb into your bloodstream and the cells very easily. Some people might experience diarrhea. Yeah, but it will only happen for a few days. Then when the symptoms go away, it has already cleared a lot of the toxin inside your intestine or your digestive system. So here are the ingredients of Usukusu. We have salmon DNA, of course, and we have kombu. Kombu is a seaweed, and then we have these 3 premium probiotic. We have pineapple extract, fish collagen, kiwi seed extract, and L-glutathione, also resveratrol, a very good antioxidant. So this product will help you wipe out most of the oxidative stress in the body, and you can also reduce a lot of inflammation in your body. So let's look at the patent of Usukusu Gold. It's anti-tumor, right? That is what we are looking at very happily, giving a lot of miraculous effect to a lot of cancer patient. So along the years, all these years, 6 years in Indonesia and almost a year in Malaysia now, we see so many miraculous effect on helping cancer patients to heal, right? And we are not saying that this product can heal all cancer patients, but you have a very good chance. Okay, so please give your friend a chance if they have a tumor. So the second patent of usukusu is immune activation effect. The third one is therapeutic agent on hepatitis C. A lot of us are carrying hepatitis B and C without knowing it ourselves. So if you take this product, even if you don't know, if you do not go for checkup lately, you can also have a very good chance of wiping out all these viruses in your body. It's also infection protective agent. It's suppression of the growth of tumor and reduce the side effect of anti-cancer drugs. If you have friends who are undergoing chemotherapy or any kind of anti-cancer therapy, you can notice they are very weak. So please introduce this product to them so that they can go through the treatment. And they also can reduce the side effect of all these anti-cancer drugs. Without hair loss, they can eat, they can sleep, they can talk, they can go for even holidays, right? So it's a very good product. And they can also prevent and treat and cure infection of SARS, which is also COVID virus. And all these monkeypox, all these upcoming viruses, they can protect our body very well because usukusu is also a protective. They also have a protective action against the toxicity of reactive oxygen. It's also a toxic reducer. So all these patents together tells us we can protect our body very affordably and very conveniently with usukusu. As we mentioned just now, is anti-tumor. So all these tumor cases. Mr. Chin, he becomes so much younger, so much more energetic. And we have Dr. Quas here. Dr. Quas also is a cancer survivor. He has talked about his cancer very generously with us and helping a lot more people recover from cancer. And we have this lady. She has thyroid cancer, recovered, and a tumor in the head, recovered, a tumor in the eyes, recovered, tumor in the mouth, recovered, and we have a nose cancer here, also recovered. And this product, usukusu, can very well regulate our immune system. These autoimmune disorder cases, including psoriasis, all these autoimmune disorders, skin disease. And we come to our newest product, Hikari. Hikari is only launched in August. Only less than 2 months' time, we see so many amazing testimony of Hikari. And only within 5 hours, we have 2 million sales of Hikari. Everybody is looking to heal their brain and their eyes. Okay, so Hikari is for the brain, for the eyes, and for special need, either children or even adults. So let's look at the ingredients of Hikari. They have triple vegan peptides. Hikari is totally vegan. So if you have friends who are vegetarian, who do not want to take any animal product, you can introduce this product to them, Hikari. They are vegan. And I want to highlight, Hikari has a nano size of only 400 Dalton. Just now, Super Ashu is how many Dalton? Do you remember? Can you type in your chat box how many Dalton for Super Ashu and how many Dalton for usukusu? Yes, 600 and 800. And Hikari has an even smaller molecule size, only 400 Dalton. That's why it can go right into our brain barrier. Our brain has a very good defense system, and not many things can go through our brain barrier, but Hikari can do the job. Okay, Hikari ingredients totally, you can see all these are plant-based. They have marigold peptide, spearmint peptide, mango leaf peptide, acerola extract, blueberry extract, cherry extract, lingonberry extract, L-cysteine, strawberry extract, inulin, blackcurrant extract. All these are very powerful antioxidants. If you know antioxidants, they can help you to clear up all the inflammation. Our blood vessel up above the neck, including our brain and our eyes, are very minute blood vessels. If any part of this vessel are blocked, we will have problem with our neural system and also our eyes. So this product can very well help our body to clear up all these blood vessels, and you will definitely have better eyesight and better brain power. Okay, here are the patents of Hikari. They improve the visual performance and eye health. They will protect our eyes from blue light. They improve memory in the brain. They improve brain function and activities. They also increases the rate of neurogenesis. Okay, so we will talk more about these functions and more about how Hikari can help different part of the brain. Okay, so I have a list of function, the possible benefit of Hikari here. You probably want to take a screenshot of this. So anyone with eyes or the brain, they can probably be benefited from taking Hikari, either in a very large extent or gradually. Okay, so just be patient. Take Hikari. We have I just want to mention this friend. I saw her 3 weeks ago. And when they come in, it's a couple. It's a young couple. When they come in, I can notice their eyes are abnormal because they do not walk and react like normal people. Their eyesight is damaged. So they only have 20% vision. They have difficulty in everyday life. But yet, this lady, she has very good result in school. So she worked very hard with a magnifier to study. But after only 3 weeks taking Hikari, she told us a good news that she can put away the magnifier. She can read even without the magnifier. Isn't it a good news? Right? Very good news. So this Hikari, they can help with dry eyes, floater, cataract, glaucoma, and any kind of eye disease. They might not 100% recover from all these eye disease, especially age-related disease, eye disease, but they can definitely improve the condition, right? For the brain, it can help the ADHD children, autism, speech delay, dyslexic, sensory disorder. I cannot read all this out. Please take a screenshot and read this. So we also have a brain tumor. They can also help in brain tumor and a lot of dementia cases, and they can help in stroke recovery. If you have a friend or family who has just had a stroke, ask them to take Hikari and Super Asu. They can help them tremendously. So all these three products with such a good effect, and of course we want the product to be safe to consume, because we are facing our family, our friend, and even patient every day. So we hope the product is very safe. So all these certificate proves that Hikari, Super Asu, and Usukusu are safe. They are organic, they are hormone-free, they are free cells. This is a free trade, and nuclear radiation-free. They are also free from a lot of harmful chemical and free from heavy metal. So you can safely this product, you can have a peace of mind when you take this product. So Dr. Yudi also tell us a lot of cases that people take 16 boxes of this product, right, in one go, and they still are okay. So it's very safe, and it's safe for pregnant lady, and it's safe for children, even baby. So of course we say if this is a baby, you reduce the dosage. For patients, even those, especially those seriously ill patients, you can start with a low dosage, and you can monitor the reaction before you add on to the dosage. as a general rule, we hope a serious disease patient can take 3 times the maintenance dosage, like 3 Usukusu and 3 Superasu a day, gradually. So this product is listed in MIMS. MIMS is almost like an encyclopedia for medical staff and doctors. So when they are listed in this MIMS, even doctors are recommending the product. Of course, it's halal also. So let's briefly talk about the company AFC. AFC is listed in stock exchange since is established since 1969. It's 55 years now. So AFC is one of the oldest and largest pharmacy company in Japan. It's the first pharmaceutical company listed in the stock exchange, and it's also the first Japanese pharmaceutical factory to obtain GMP certificate. Okay, this is a group of company of AFC. They even have their own TV channel. They have a lot of laboratory. They have factories. They are leading food biotechnology conglomerate. They have premier pharmacy chain store in Japan, in China, in Taiwan, in Singapore. You can also find AFC pharmacy. So if you are Singaporean, maybe you have already come across AFC pharmacy. But these 3 products, just now I talked about the 3 products, you cannot find these 3 premium products in the pharmacy chain. Okay, so you can only get this product in this system, this AFC MMM system. So AFC has acquired and became the majority shareholder of Sakaya Department Store. So as I say, it's a very big group. So people, when they talk about joining AFC business, of course, we want this is a very stable, a very solid company. Okay, so AFC itself is listed in stock exchange, in the Tokyo Stock Exchange, and you can go and check up their activity, their revenue, their PE ratio, and all this figure you can check out from the internet. So AFC Indonesia started in 2018, already 6 years in Indonesia. That's why we have accumulated hundreds of thousands of testimony of miraculous cases which heal people and make people younger. So these 3 of them are our founder, our co-founder, and also our general manager, Nicholas. So AFC also are doing charitable event. These are the offices in Indonesia, in most of the main city. They are in Bali, in Medan, in Surabaya, Jakarta, Suzuka. So they have their health center in Lombok, doing a lot of charitable event there. Hopefully, they will have another health center in Malaysia very soon. Okay, they have health center in Donggu Postal. Sorry, I cannot read all this Indonesian. So maybe we can ask Dr. Yudi to explain more to us, bring more good news to us afterwards. So we are AFC is the best-selling product since 2020. All this year, they are the best-selling product. So being the best-selling product, you can imagine how good this product is. We also have a repurchase percentage of almost 97%. So people are taking this product and they find it so good that they are very happy with the product. They repeat ordering every month. You know, these are the member growth of the year, product of the year, all these awards. So if you are in AFC, you can be very sure that you can grow the business and you can take a very good product. Always number 1, even in Singapore. So these are certificate, all the certificate. And these are events when every year AFC have a lot of events all over in Indonesia. is going to come into Malaysia very soon, and we are looking forward to the first launch.
Bapak Ibu, malam ini saya cuma mau bilang bahwa AFC di Indonesia itu adalah untuk family.
All you have to do is just dream again and start doing it again, teman-teman.
Didik leader sampai sukses ada di panggung ini, maka lihat saya bisa bikin kalian juga ada di sini. Kita pasti bisa, kita pasti sukses.
Can you see our Dr. Yudi on the stage? Yeah, very happy. AFC, in fact, is a kind of a franchise business. So if you know franchise business, you always have to invest a very large sum into this business. Do you know how much you have to invest in a McDonald's? Millions of dollars, right? And the payback period is about 5 to 6 years. Do you know how much you have to invest in KFC? Also millions of dollars. But if you invest in AFC, you actually do not have to incur any cost on your own. Right, so let's start the business now, and I will briefly go through marketing plans. So if you want a detail and the strategy, we'll talk about it with your upline leaders. Okay, so we have only 3 packages: the Diamond, 12 boxes, Sapphire, 6 boxes, and Ruby, 2 boxes. So why do you want to join AFC? Because there's no investment cost. As we compare just now, few million for KFC, AFC is 0 investment. And there's no target pressure. Every month and you don't have to fight your head out to hit the target. And there's 97% repurchase. You can always upgrade your package even if you start with a Ruby. And there's lucrative income. I can tell you how much Dr. Yudi earned 2 days ago. And it's teamwork, and everybody in the team will help you. And this business is a global business. Okay, so these 3 packages, every 2 boxes equals 1 package. So if you look at this, we have direct sponsor bonus. If you are a Diamond and you refer a Diamond, you get 3.3 million rupiah. You can convert this into your own currency. If you only start with a Ruby, you also get your direct sponsor bonus. But as you can see, your direct sponsor bonus to sponsor a diamond is 1.8 million compared to 3.3 million if you are a diamond. So if you start with a ruby, please do your best to upgrade to diamond as soon as possible, because your direct sponsor bonus will be almost double. So we also have the bonus pass up. If you are a ruby, you refer a diamond, you get 1.8 million rupiah, right? And the company is actually paying out 3.3 million, and the rest of the commission will go to your upline diamond. Okay, so the company will pay full sponsor bonus. Some of them will get by the sponsor, and if there is extra, they will push up to the next diamond. We call it bonus pass up. So we also have pairing bonus. Every pair will give you pairing bonus, no matter you are a diamond or you are a ruby or sapphire. So if there's one package on your left, one package on your right, you already have one pair. And whatever is not paired will be carried forward, will not be flushed. Okay, so the one thing very good about AFC is they will not flush your business. So we come to a very exciting bonus. We call it annual family celebration. If you are a beginner, you only have 100 pair, you get 5 million rupiah at November 15th. If you already achieve 500 pair, you get 25 million rupiah on 15th of November. If you are samurai, 1,000 pair, you get 75 million. Shogun, 575 million. And if you are the daimyo, you get 1,575 million rupiah for this annual bonus. If you are Bushido, of course, you get the most, 3,075 million rupiah for the year-end bonus. So Dr. Yudi is also a Bushido. I heard he has a few Bushido in his hand now. Okay, so the company is also helping us to grow the business with all these crews. So as all of us are, we all want to go for holiday, right? So with this incentive trip, a lot of people can get the trip, and at the same time, they can motivate their downlines, their team members, their leaders to grow the business even faster, because everyone wants to go for a cruise holiday like this, and it's very simple, very easy to achieve. Only 5 diamonds will get you a free cruise holiday. So if you get another extra 18 points, you can get a Japan trip or a Great Britain trip. So just ask your leader how to achieve this. Hello, Dr. Yudi.
Hi, good evening, everyone.
Yeah, good evening. Welcome. Thank you for supporting us. Huh? Dr. Yudi has been in our Zoom for a few times this week already.
Yes.
Before we go to the all these testimony, all these how to use the product and whatnot, let's talk about, give us some tips of how you start the business.
Okay. When I start the business, actually it is because of the product. Yeah. So I've been thinking about the business, but yes, that's not the main thing for me, because when I start, I just think, wow, this product is awesome. So can help a lot of people and also can help ourselves. Can you imagine? I just take this product, yeah, just very easy, you know. This assay we take, you know, and then my liver and kidney problem disappear, just as simple as that. So, and the taste also of the product very nice, yeah. So to me it's like too good to be true. That's why I think, wow, this is so easy and everyone can buy, not like very expensive stem cells. So I think I will introduce the product to my friends. That is my first thinking about this product, you know. And yeah, in a short while, because the product is so good, of course, everything goes so easy. Yeah, this is my experience. But if you join already, so this is your time to spread the good news to your family, your friend, and it's okay. Don't think of I want to make them my downlines. Not like that, yeah. It's okay to think like that, but maybe if you think that you will share this good news to someone, yeah. Just like when you know there will be festival to celebrate Malaysia Independence Day, maybe like that. Oh, there will be fireworks there, you know. Yeah. Let's come to see the fireworks, just like that. So very natural, and people don't need special ability to do this. That's why everyone actually can do this business. Yes, in the process, meanwhile, you can also learn. If you learn and study about the product, about the company and everything, of course, it's easier for you to answer if there is question deeper than the previous one. But for the first time, you just need to talk a lot, to chat a lot with your friend, you know. So yes, only like this. This is very, very simple, yeah. When you talk to your friend about the good news, yeah, it is natural because you tell them your story, your side of story, and everyone should be able to do this. If you find difficulty, of course you can contact your uplines, and afterward, yeah, you can learn more and more and more. So this is good because we can help people with the health and financial, and then afterward we are healthy and wealthy, so you can do anything like that, yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, you can enjoy life. It's up to you, yeah. If you want to do good things, donate or something, you can do it easily. If you want to travel, you can do it easily. So whatever you will do, it will be easier for you, you know. You want to give your parents something, yeah, in return, so everything easier, the life easier. This is important because health and financial is very important, and then you can concentrate only mainly on your health and happiness. So what to do next this day, you know, like that. So this is very, very convenient for me. Okay, I will give you a little bit of theory. This is the theory if you want to learn deeper to be a networker, because once you start selling to your friends, it's good, you earn money, yeah, and you can earn good money. You can be to level of samurai, yeah, and earn hundreds of millions 1 month. It's only by selling. But if you want to go bigger, you have to know the essential of networking, because selling, yes, you earn money, but you have also to do a lot of work, yeah. When you go networking, for the start, you will have to do a lot of work, maybe more, yeah. But after a while, you will be duplicated. So one you can become 1,000 you, become 10,000 you. That's what makes us rich and passive income and everything. So I want to mention this a little while. Can I share, Rosa?
Yeah, you can share. You can share.
Okay. Okay. This is one of my training before, yeah. Okay. It's still in Indonesia, but it's okay, yeah. So here, in the first step, this is what we call the staircase of Semut team and team, yeah. Our team. So from me to all of my downlines, now a lot, yeah. we call ourselves a semut team to distinguish ourselves to the others. And team, yeah, semut team, yeah. Okay, so first when we join, we have to climb to the stairs of prospect. So we have to do prospecting, yeah. Prospecting different with presentation. Just now you hear Rosa bring full presentation like that. But in prospecting, you don't have to do that all. You know, make it easy, make it fast, make it simple, make it fun. So you don't have to say, oh, this is the very big company, you know, old already, yeah. Old or young have no relation with them, yeah. They don't relate to, oh, why if the company old, you know. I have young company only 1 year, but earn a lot of money. Maybe things like that will happen. But what you tell your prospect is, hey, this is good, you know. I know this product, yeah. You know, one of my friend telling stories about someone who have eye problem and being helped so much using this. Can you imagine if you are that person? I see that your eyes have problem. Try this. So if you try, then there is possibility that you will be okay. If you experience like this person, because I see that this product different with others. If you buy vitamins, yeah, a lot of them cheaper, but then what's the effect? But this one, you see, oh, I have picture in my phone, you know, like this, you know. Oh, it make you young also. If it can make you young, then it means that it can change all your body. Prospect just like that, you know. So you ask them first without their condition, about their health, about their parents' health, about the neighbors' health, if necessary, you know. Just like that, and then you can start do prospecting. But if you make it according to the theory, it will be easier for you. For me, to own a book, very important, yeah. So when I start, I have one book, yeah. One book, I prefer the book with the clip, you know, so I can change the paper from time to time. And there I write down everything about AFC, everything about health related to AFC, because I need to memorize something, yeah. Like this presentation I make maybe years ago, but when I see this, I can see clearly what to do, yeah. So you have to have one book, and then in that book, for the prospect things, you have to list your prospect names. Maybe this Rosa will explain to you later, or your upline will explain to you later, but this will help, because often I ask my downline how many prospect you have, and they say, oh, I have 50, 100. Do you have 200? Maybe 300. I don't have, you know. But when we do the grouping, you do elementary school, yes. Do you have friends? Yes, several of them. Okay. And then junior high school, oh, I have a lot. How much? Yeah, I have 200 of them. Okay. And then senior high school, oh, maybe 300. Okay. And then faculty, and then if we make folders like that, then we have hundreds of friends, and also we can make new friends, right? So this is the prospect staircase, yeah. And then the next stairs is to help to arrange your downline. So once you have prospect, you can begin to help them to develop, yeah, to develop your network. And this means that you accompany them to do prospecting. You have to tell them what to do. You have to do trainings like this for them, so they know what to do. Because you have downline, you want them to also success. Because if they all success, then you will be success. Can you imagine if you have me on your left side and me on your right side? Of course, you have maximum pairing all the day, yeah. So yeah, this is you have to do to make sure that your downline prospect. And two process that is important here is to duplicate and to do line of comment. What I mean with duplicate is, of course, you have to make yourself know as much as possible, and have discipline also, have good attitude also. So when you duplicate, your downline will become like you, a good leader. If you don't do this thing, I mean, you don't learn, you don't have a good attitude, always come late, always egoistic first, yeah, always do egoist thing. Of course, this will be duplicated also. So be careful in this. You will have to be able to be duplicate, and the duplication should be good. So you have to study a lot, and then afterward, after you help your downline to duplicate and everything, the next step is to arrange. You know, to arrange mean you have to organize the LOP. You have to do Zoom like this, like Rosa. You know, Rosa so good on the third stairs already, yeah. And then but remember, when you go up these stairs, I mean, when you go from prospect to arranging to help downline to duplicate them, you have to make sure that your downline also go to the prospecting stairs. When you go to the arranging the LOP and Zoom and everything, you have to make sure that your position is taken with the previous downline, the one that now good for prospecting have to be able to help maintaining their downlines. And when you go to the roadshow means you go from one area to the other to open the area, yeah, roadshow. Then you have to make sure that in your city you have someone who help you to arrange the LOP, to arrange the Zoom, you know. So you have to take your downline up also one step when you go up one step. By doing this, if everyone go one step, and then you will be in the top, you will be a leader, yeah. The leader means that you have to find the right strategy and everything. So this is only a short picture, so you know that we are not like climbing stairs but holding hand. So when you climb one step up, your downline have to follow you one step up also, because you are holding their hands, you know. And you can always do consultation to your upline, yeah. We have here line of comment also. Line of comment mean everything you want to know, you ask Rosa, or not Rosa. Everything you want to know, you can ask your leader first, you know. When your leader cannot answer, kick his or her butt, you know, and then ask him or her to ask to their uplines. If their upline cannot answer also, yeah, kick the butt and then go up again, like that, until you find upline that can answer your questions. And as uplines, you should answer to the ones that asking to you, you know, and then ask them, make sure, yeah, you accompany them, ask them to explain to the downlines, and you just monitor whether the answer correct or not. So by doing this, all the line of comment will be there, and everyone will know the answer and how to answer and what's the question and everything. So next time the same questions come, you don't have to answer, because maybe the downlines of your downlines already able to answer it. By doing this, actually we save energy, we save time, yeah, we save money and everything. And the most important, if we have news, yeah, like I have something to tell about the Malaysia group, which now is so big, yeah. I see that Malaysia develop like crazy to America, to Vietnam, to Philippines, to Thailand, everywhere.
Yeah.
Yeah, amazing, yeah, amazing. You guys amazing. So if I want to talk about this, I just ask Kevin and Teng, two person that I keep for my line of comment. Of course, I know Rosa, I know Tenny, I know the other, yeah. But what I mean is, at least I know the line of command, and I know also 3 to 4 depth from them. Like I know Rosa, like I know the others, yeah. So if something happen, I can still contact that. Say that I cannot contact Tang because of something, and then I cannot also contact Kevin. Yeah, so maybe Kevin is busy, or Tang is maybe enjoy the holiday in the place that have no cellular phone, maybe like that. Yeah, so I can contact Rosa or the others that I know that under them, but the next big leader. So make sure you know deep 3 to 4 lines under them. So if I need something, I just tell Kevin and Tang, and then everything will be okay, because they can spread the news also to their leaders only, their big leaders only, and the big leaders to their big leaders only, like that. Maybe in several minutes the news already spread it in 1,000, 2,000 of persons. Yeah, but if I don't have that line of command, it will be difficult for me. I have to chat everyone, explain to everyone, and things like that. So about AFC, if you join already, you don't have to be afraid, because the system so strong. What I mean so strong is actually the sales, because the product so good. So it's like I've done several MLM. This like 3 times easier, you know, because yeah, people when healed, like just now you hear the testimony about the eye, and also about autism, about the cancer and everything. Of course, the news will spread fast, which we just need to accompany. And also the company have a very good management, and also a lot of Zoom, yeah, but it is not in English, it is not in Chinese still, yeah. So but soon when Malaysia open, we will arrange to have that in Malaysia. So the system also like promotion. So you, the leaders now, will notice that if the promotion there, then our sales will just climb up like this, yeah. Like in Indonesia, wow, yeah. About the promotion saya suruh, it's just like very sharp, yeah. 2 of my account flash every day, you know. So this is a very good way of the company of helping us. So the system actually very strong, the promotion and everything. And then the company arrange everything from January. It will do this promo, February this one, March this one. So everything will be arranged to make the sales always high. So we have the best company already. That's why different. You cannot say, oh, I want to join that company and then be the first person and then I will be rich, because different. Yeah? A lot of aspect here will take role. So when you are new to this business, don't be afraid to explore, because you got nothing to lose. When you pay, actually you got the product. You can consume the product and become healthy, right? You can give to your parents, and your parents will thank you for that. And then you can give to your friend who is sick, and they can be healed. So according to me, everything that you pay, you got the products already. So this business, actually, you can do it according to your wish. If you see this business will be very big, then maybe you are like me, you know. We can earn so much, billions in 1 month, yeah, in 1 year, yeah. So this is very good, because I see this business big. But if someone see this business only small, then maybe small thing will happen. Also, if you see that, oh, I just try this, you know, try 3 days, 1 week, or 1 month, and then stop because, oh, I cannot do that. But actually, if you learn deeper, you can do it. Also now, in Indonesia, a lot of them do the prospecting only from home. So they do the prospecting using social media. This one you can learn. Yeah, if you say one person tell me, you know, Dr. Yudi, I don't have friends. Yeah, I say make friends. I'm not easy make friends. Okay, try to learn, chat to someone. Oh, that's not easy, Dr. Yudi. Yeah, this is like psychopath maybe, I don't know. But according to me, everyone can make friends. Yeah, can chat. You know, if you find someone, you just smile and they will smile. You know, and then you open conversation just like that. Don't target too much to sell something. But if you make friends, easy, and then the next day you can chat about the health and then come to the product like that. But this one say, oh, I cannot make friends. I cannot chat and everything. I said, okay, then do social media. Oh, cannot. Why? I cannot. I'm allergic to social media. You know, I'm bad in technology. I said, yeah, you can learn. No, cannot. I said, okay. So you cannot do offline, you cannot do online, but you want the money. Yes. Yeah, several of you laugh already. Yeah. This is so funny. If you want to do something, then we have to do something. Of course, you want the money, you have to do the work. You have to do the work from the start. I mean, the starting, yes, it's like dirty job. When you want to build your house, you have to dig even deep to the ground. A lot of dirty soil and things like that, yeah, and maybe break the stones and everything. And when it's ready, then it's easier, you know. You just put stones and cement, you know, easier job. Yeah, you do the construction, and then after construction, easier and more easier because the roof there already, so you can work without being exposed to the sun and things like that. Yeah, so this is the same. So first time, do you want it or not, you have to do prospecting. Yeah, but prospecting, if you make complicated mind, will be difficult, you know. But if you put happy mind and easy, I think will be easy for you because it's like just like spreading the good news. Yeah. So you have nothing to lose. So take your time, give time to yourself to develop. Yeah, find your own way because everybody have a different way. Say that maybe the way that Rosa prospect will be different from me if I'm doing prospect. If okay, it's okay. If you do yourself also, or you are good in social media, which I'm not, yeah. So you can use your social media. A lot of Indonesian now from home can earn billions, yeah, 1 year only from home. Because they are expert in social media. But when I see one of them lately in Java, he said, Doctor, it's so difficult for me to find, to meet someone, you know, because I'm so shy. Usually I do just like this in computer and I sell a lot. I said, yeah, you can learn. You know, so, but the introvert people also can win here, yeah. The extrovert can win, so it's up to you, yeah. And also, if you find negativity when you first give the news to your friend, yeah, maybe you give the news, can be product and can be financially. Maybe they are not convinced with the product. Maybe you have to tell, and of course, sometimes it needs to force a little bit, yeah. Like the story about the lady that Rosa told you. I read from Kevin. I think Kevin a little bit forcing a little bit, yeah. So she wants to consume the product, but after consuming the product, the eyesight become very much better. Of course, she will thank Kevin. Yeah? So sometimes a closing like that. Some people say, "Oh, Dr. Yudi, I feel uneasy." You know, if it's for the good thing, I think it's okay, but if it's for the bad thing, you can feel uneasy. Yeah? So like that. And sometimes I prospect my friend from financial sites, and then they say, oh, I don't know like that. So yeah, sometimes I tell them, okay, don't do this business. Yeah, let me do the business. Yeah, don't do the business. Yeah, let me do the business. Let me be rich alone. Yeah, so don't do the business and don't be rich with me. So it's okay. Just do your previous job like that. When I start, I sometimes do that, because sometimes people, if we advise something good, they will just reject, But if we say don't, they will do it. If we say do it, they don't do it. So just try to find the character of your friend or prospect, and then find a way to goes in like that.
Yes.
So you can show your quality, because a lot of people now actually have a very, very good quality, good ability, but they never develop the ability. Yeah, like I often told when I do the roadshow or telling stories, when I was in elementary school, actually first grade to third grade, I feel like I'm the king, because I torture all of my friends, so all of them scared of me, so I feel like I can have everything I want. But after the fourth grade to sixth grade, I moved to another school, and I become very, very introvert person, very, very shy, and have no confidence. So years gone by just like that. So I don't have any deep memories about something good, But in the junior high school, one of my friend told me, I saw her, she's so clever, so I told her that actually you can be a champion. But she told me, no, Yudi, actually you can be a champion. I said, from what side? Because I want to be the class champion, only in the class, maybe number 2, number 1, number 3. I even pray to God, please, one time only number 3 enough for me, But at that time I'm not a champion. So my friend told me, because you never study. I said, no way, I study. And then my friend said, when did the last time you study? And then I realized I never study, So my friend said, now take your time, 15 minutes only. See, this is what we call with atomic habit now. 15 minutes only, but concentrate and do the study during 15 minutes. And then I think 15 minutes, not a big deal. I can do it. So I begin to study only 15 minutes one day. So fast forward, the end of the year, I can be a champion, not in my class, but for the whole class, number 3. So general champion for the whole class, number 3. By doing that, I gaining full confidence. So after that, every year I become number 1. So you see the changing here from the people who's very confident, become introvert and become no one, and then become confident again. So we can change. If you now feel shy, if you don't have friend, if friend don't like you, if you feel like a loser, you can change that if you want to. Only give a little bit of change, a little bit of time, but consistent. So a little bit of thing that you write down if necessary, 1, I will learn about AFC 20 minutes one day or 15 minutes one day. Write it down. 1, I want to do the prospect. Maybe 1 hour one day. Just like that. If you feel cannot, but during that time you have to focus, you have to force yourself. So after a while, maybe 1 month, 2 months, or 1 year, 2 years, then you will change so good that you will earn money here. Because I saw a lot of my downlines starting the first year, the second year still have difficulty, But after the third year, boom, and everything so easy for them. Everywhere they prospect, they just have success, and the network is low. So like that. Don't worry, because if you don't have good quality, because this is network, Yeah, so maybe you know already, but you don't fully understand it like me before. This is network. So say that I'm a very lazy guy. I have Rosa, who's very diligent. I have Tang, I have Kevin, who's very diligent. You know, say that I'm stupid. Maybe I will have some doctors under me. You know, like my friend, he's only a taxi driver. Yeah. But his downline, a lot of doctors. His first downline actually doctor with a very, very colorful background. So this is the power of network. You don't have something, but you can have downline that have that something. I cannot do social media marketing, but a lot of my downline did it now in Indonesia, and they success. Yeah, they can have order from another city far away, you know, and it is so easy because they just can click and the company have stockists there. So yeah, this is the good thing. And now in Malaysia, we even before start, yeah. So can you imagine if you focus from now, 2 years from now, 3 years from now, yeah, the life will be so easy for you. Several weeks ago, I'm doing my roadshow, and I went to Surabaya. There I meet one of my leader, Anastasia. Yeah, before she go bankrupt, about 4 or 5 years ago. Yeah, 4 years ago I think. Go bankrupt and has nothing. Yeah, and very stressed. So cannot even talk about this AFC, according to her. But luckily, I'm forcing. I opened her mind, so she joined this AFC and being convinced, and then she fight here very, very hard. Yeah, but now this is so funny because the apartment in Surabaya connect to the very, very big mall. So I stay in the hotel also. It had a hotel also. Yeah, nice hotel. So we stay in the hotels. So just go down to apartment, just enjoy things, yeah, and do the gym and things like that, swimming. So when Anastasia want to see me, I asked her to join me in the mall. During looking something to eat, then I found this developer actually developing one new section that have two very, very high rise building apartments and also condominium, and under the building is another newest mall, of course the most beautiful mall. So I think, hey, we feel very, very relaxed here because I spent first 5 days in Surabaya and then go back again for 4 or 5 days, and then I think we love it to sometimes here in Surabaya, you know, but sometimes there is no hotel there. If the event or something so big or local holidays or something like that, then the hotel will full. So we will find it very difficult to stay there, or we have to pay for the very, very expensive room. So I talked to Johanna, why don't we just buy apartment here? Oh, it's okay, just to relax, yeah. And I want to change 3 apartment bedroom to become only 2, so we have big room. And then Anastasia come, you know. When Anastasia came, I just talked to her, and she said, "Hey, good doctor, good doctor. I want to buy one also." And then she just bought the apartment, you know. That easy, you know, like buying the fried banana, yeah. So yeah, without planning, just go there and buy. And afterward, even she whispered to me, "Hey doctor, actually for us, this is too easy, yeah? Too easy, we feel nothing." I said, yes. But I'm so happy, you know. See, the life changed so much there. So that's why do this business, yeah. If you have vision like me, then you will put your effort, your thinking, your mind, everything here, yeah. You will not hesitate to spend your time, your money, and everything because you are building your network, and you build it right. You can learn from your upline. Rosa is very experienced networker. Yeah, you have a lot. if I go to Malaysia, I meet them, I know all big leaders here, all with 30 years, 20 years experience. So you can learn from them, you can be focused, and 2-3 years from now, I'm sure that I can hear story with you and tell other people about your story. Maybe this for me, Rosa, maybe if they have questions.
We have a story about a young lady, 18 years old only. Within 28 days, she got, I have to convert into ringgit, 20,000 ringgit in 28 days. Dr. Yudi, do you want me to tell the crowd the income you showed me the other day?
maybe personally, but but this is very, very nice because my lifestyle changed so much. Before, I think that if I can have my retirement in the mountain, with 1 hectare of land, maybe I will be maybe I will be the happiest person on earth, like that in my mindset. Now I have 3.5 hectares already, and I can buy a lot more. So life has changed so much, and also if you like cars, cars not important anymore because sometimes people buy cars for the prestige, while we don't have to talk about the prestige, don't have to chase the prestige because everyone knows that we have big incomes already, and also it is actually from our feeling, if we feel that we can buy anything, everything, almost everything, then maybe we don't want to buy because it's okay, but if we don't have it, then maybe we don't have the money, maybe we want to buy something, even maybe good motorbike or good cellular phone, like that. But if you can buy everything, maybe the one that is functioning well already enough for you. AFC changed my life so much.
If you don't know Dr. Yudi before, Dr. Yudi last time is a doctor, and now still a doctor, but last time he is a doctor in a clinic. People around the world will come to his clinic to do ozone therapy. But now it's totally different. Dr. Yudi is traveling around the world, right? Traveling around the world to see people and help his downline and actually heal more people around the world. So it's from being trapped in a clinic to traveling around the world is a totally different lifestyle, right?
Because if I work also, I don't feel like working. Like when I go to Malaysia, I meet Rosa and the others now like my family here. Like family, so I know them so well and so good. So we are just like family. So I just like having families everywhere, all around Indonesia, even to Malaysia, Singapore. Several, I think 1 month, 2 months, 1.5 months ago, maybe I go to Singapore to accompany my mother to do operation there, and I feel, I think I have spare time a little bit. I just text the group and then people from Singapore see me. It's very, very nice, because we can work anytime, anywhere, and help others in the process. And yes, traveling a lot because this month, now is 4th October, 25th October, I will go to Finland and Norway. Bonus trip from AFC. And this is so luxurious trip. So life is very, very nice. After that, December to Vietnam, October to Finland and Norway, December to Vietnam, February to East Europe, April cruise, Vietnam, Singapore and Hong Kong, and I continue to China also, because in every trip now I can extend. So say that Finland and Norway, the trips of AFC, maybe 11 days or 14 days, then I can extend. The cruise maybe take 5 days, but I can extend to China for 1 week, 2 weeks, up to me. So this is a very good lifestyle, and I'm very happy for this. And actually, you too also have the possibility to have it. Only whether you want it or not, whether you have the clear vision of it or not. So, yeah, like before when I do prospect, some of my friend say that, hey, I'm busy with my business, you know, property business. I'm busy with my garment business. But at that time, I already told them, okay, watch it, yeah, count it from now. Then in 1 year, 2 years, I want to come again and ask you whose income bigger, you know. And now they all admit, yeah, AFC is the best and fast and happy, working without burden, because here we want to be big, just big, you know, because this is working together, so very easy. But if you have company, you have to arrange everything. If you want to be bigger, you have to input, you have to put more money to your business, more time, more power. So it's like every time you become more busy, yeah? And you are at risk anytime, because like during COVID, a lot of business suddenly collapse.
Yes.
Very strong business, like my brother also almost collapse, start from zero. That's very, very sad, yeah, because years developing it and become very, very big developer properties, and like a magic boy, you know, from nothing become a superstar and then suddenly goes to nothing again. That's business. And work so hard from the morning until night in the office, you know, and meeting here, meeting there. I think, wow, that's only the meetings, maybe a lie, you know. So sometimes I go to his office, but he do the intense meeting all the time from morning until night. So if I do it, my brain will be just boiling. Yeah, this is the good business.
Yeah, very good business. I'm also a business person since young, so you look at the business and you compare traditional business and this one, probably you feel the same as I do. Right, so I think we have to thank Dr. Yudi for his experience. We are going to get more of his story in the upcoming sessions. Let us answer some of the questions before we go today.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, Grace, can you maybe read out the question?
Oh, so question from Kamadi. How many hikari of autism? How many hikari for autism child?
Actually, everybody different, yeah. So you can give the dosage just like you wish, you know. If you give a high dose, then the healing crisis not there, or mild healing crisis, then it's okay. But if the healing crisis too much, then you can reduce the dosage. But like my downlines, he found a boy with cancer this big, you know.
Whoa.
The baby only 10 months. So the mothers, after the doctor said it has to be operated, the mother and the father don't want to do it, and they say, oh, I will just try AFC instead. And then my downline said, okay, sure, it will work, because for adult it worked, you know. So smaller people, of course, easier according to him, yeah, because this is his logic. And then he just gave 3 Utsukushi 1 day and 2 Subarasi. You know, in 10 days, all the big tumors disappear completely.
10 days.
Yeah, so sometimes like that, you know, according to me personally, 5 sachet for 10 months, maybe I won't give that dosage. But yeah, it's good. So you don't have to be afraid, because this is safe, yeah. But if say that the people have diarrhea, yeah, maybe you have to advise people to take it after meal, just like that, you know. Just try to adjust a little bit.
Yeah. Okay, so there's another question. Which product is good for vertigo?
Vertigo is Subarasi and Hikari. But sometimes we don't know, because you know the science of medicine also limited, not knowing everything. So sometimes if the product fail, just try another product. But from the patent, you use Subarasi, because it will stimulate the stem cells, yeah. say that something, because usually vertigo, the problem with the ear or the brain. So that's the two, the small brain and the ear. That's the two devices in our body that regulate the balance. So if something happens, you can take Subarasi for stimulating the stem cell, and Hikari, because Hikari is so good for the brain.
Yeah.
Yeah, we have the testimony about a child that have ADHD, attention deficit, you know, so like autism. Yeah. The mother often found her screaming out of the pain, because of the pain. Yeah.
Yeah.
So the mother bring to the doctor analyzed, do the scan and everything, and the doctor said, hey, I think there was trauma to her head, so this causing damage in the brain, causing this pain. The problem is the pain is so strong. Sometimes when this child sleeping, sometimes just jolted awake and crying, jump from the bed, you know, crying because of the pain. And that happen often. The mother give Hikari before one box finish, so I think still 7 or 9 sachet left. Yeah. So only 20 or little bit. Yeah. The symptom all disappear. So can you imagine the ability of Hikari to stimulate the brain? So the neurogenesis, the ability to renew the neuron, the cells of the brain and nerve, very, very strong. That's why I give also Hikari for this case.
Yeah.
And Subarasi. Yeah. But if it's fail, then you can try also Utsukushi, because sometimes it's not according to the theory, because like I said, yeah, but this is very, very rare. Yeah. Like my friend do the rock climbing, suddenly cannot do the pull up, and then of course I give Subarasi, but a lot of Subarasi have no effect. Suddenly he browsed by himself in the internet and found Utsukushi, and then try to take Utsukushi. Take Utsukushi only several sachets, the symptom go away. So sometimes like that. Yeah. So just try.
Okay, we leave it to God. All those very miracle things. So there's another question: can we take all the 3 products together, or 2 of them together, or do we have to leave an hour in between?
If me, I prefer to give interval, because yeah, this is logic. Yeah, you have a lot of people, and then you want to enter a room. Of course, the door only that big. Of course, a lot of people will jam. Maybe some of them cannot goes in or feel pain during the goes in, you know. But if you divide, okay, today only this much, today this much, today this much, maybe easier for the person to goes in all, you know. So to give interval, of course, better according to me. But if you cannot give interval, a lot of Indonesian even mix a lot of sachet, you know. Subarasi, yeah, Subarasi 6 of them, you know, Utsukushi 6 of them mix, and then stir in a glass and then take, yeah, like that. And they are so healthy now.
Yeah. So they just don't be too stressed, because it's very convenient. Just suggest, so you just carry around. If you are not convenient to take it at home, or you have to go to work, just carry around, and you can tear it open and just take it. So there's another question: if I have cancer, can we take these products and not to do chemo treatment?
A lot of Indonesians do that. But as a doctor, I said, if people ask me this, I said, still do your chemo, because if you have 2 defense mechanism, 2 ways, of course, better than 1 way. This is my logic, you know. But sometimes the chemo and everything so strong, you know, the side effect. So maybe, I don't know, it depends on you. But from my side, it is better to do chemo, yeah. And then if the chemo so strong, maybe it's your decision how you will handle it. You want to stop or not, you know. But at least you do according to the doctor advice. Of course, have one bright side, you know. AFC product, the other bright side. If you combine, of course, the possibility of success will be greater. Yeah.
So what is which product is best for vertigo?
Just now already answered.
Yeah, just choose one, okay? My patient allergic to mushroom and barley in Subarashi. So just give them Utsu lah.
Yeah, Utsu and Hikari. Yeah, because allergy so good with Utsu. Utsukushi clean our bowel, so very good for allergy.
Yeah.
Or if cannot handle with Utsukushi, use the Hikari.
Yeah.
Like I forgot the name, but this member from Malaysia or Singapore, I think from Malaysia.
Yeah.
She asked me about her customer. She said, I have the customer that suffer from runny nose every morning. And then every morning have runny nose. I give already Utsukushi 2 and Subarashi 1 in the morning. Utsukushi 2, Subarashi 1 in the afternoon, and Utsukushi 2, Subarashi 1 in the evening.
Wow, nice.
I asked, how long? How long? 2 months. So I said, maybe you should add Hikari. Why? Because Hikari normalize the nerve. While theoretically the vasomotor rhinitis, the flu, the wheezing, because the sneezing in the morning usually caused by the changing of the blood vessel because the reflex not so good. So maybe this is the nerve problem.
Yeah.
So I add one Hikari only 3 times a day. In 3 days only 80% the symptom go away.
3 days.
3 days. Yeah, I have the chat still, but I forgot which member. I have to scroll if I want to see it because I don't memory the name, but I can find it. Yeah.
Yeah, when you find out, please let us know. So Grace asks if Sensizuru suitable for cirrhosis, or Usuzuba is better to treat cirrhosis. Of course,
combined.
Right? Huh?
Like I said, if I want to do a fight, it is better for me to have a sword, a gun, or a shield. If I have, of course, better. That's why the army take handgun, take grenades, take machine gun. Because the more you have, then the easier for you.
Yeah, I always say the more you use, the more tools you use, or the a little bit more heavy dosage will help you solve the problem even faster.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah. Right. So there's another question, Doctor. What to give a young 24-year-old female with heavy and painful menstruation?
Yeah, there is 2 possibility. Yeah, I never explored Hikari for this. I have never explored because Hikari new to us, but maybe it will also help. But usually we have the choice Utsukushi or Subarashi. Actually, painful monthly menstruation also have 2 sides. Yeah, it has the hormone balance like this or like this. Yeah. Somehow one product will help with this, one product will help with this. Oh, which one related to my patient? I don't know. So just try, but try with Subarashi first, because usually with Subarashi condition better. Yeah. At least try more Subarashi first. Yeah, and then if necessary you can add Utsukushi later, because the heavy and painful monthly menstruation can also caused by only the hormone imbalance, or could be from myome, cyst, myome. If these things, maybe you need Utsukushi. So just try.
Yes, just try. Just monitor yourself. The good thing is this is superfood, right? There's no risk, no danger. So just monitor and maybe talk to your leader, and we can decide. And you can even ask Dr. Yudi if things is very serious. Okay. So another question from Afik: if we do chemo and take AFC and now no trace of cancer, congratulations. How do we know is because of AFC or chemo?
Okay. Frankly, we don't know. Yeah, but we have a lot of testimonial, a lot of patients also that before taking chemotherapy and radiotherapy and the cancer still spreading and bigger, and taking AFC product become disappear. So we have also a lot of testimonials like this. But which one causing this? I don't know. And if I'm a patient, I'm that patient. I don't care. I will just take all, you know. Yeah, why should you know? Which one? Yeah, because impossible to know because you do both things. Yeah.
Well, something we really do not need to find out exactly which one, and actually we don't know. We cannot find out, right?
Yeah, but a lot of Indonesians, they don't have money, so they just take the AFC product and the cancer disappear.
Okay,
so the power, I describe the power of this product is real. Yeah.
Yes,
okay.
Yes. Doctor, I have a question myself. If this patient has checked and find no more cancer, so if let's say they can still afford, what do you suggest? Continue taking or just stop it totally?
Please repeat it. If
like Avik's case, no more cancer, you go and check, no more cancer, no trace of cancer now, even though you are a cancer patient before. So if I can afford it, do I continue taking AFC or I should stop? I can stop right away.
Actually, if you cannot afford it, do the AFC business. If you don't have money, also it's miserable life. You will live long, but don't have money also. You know, so do the AFC business. Yeah, this is serious. Yeah, according to me. And actually, if you have willingness to do it, then you will be able to do it, and you will have money at least for your treatment. Okay, now I can give you the what you call it, the parallel scheme of this. You know, say that I have a very dirty house or toilet, because I've never cleaned it for 6 months like that, and then I clean it. I find the right solution. You know, if I pour the solution and rub it only a little bit, it will be clean like new. The question, should I clean it every day or waiting until 6 months again or 1 year? You know, if I'm the cancer patient, I will just take the product all the time, because now I don't have cancers. I take the product all the time. We want to be healthier, to be better, to be younger. Of course, we take the product. Moreover, if we have cancer, at least you do the maintenance. Like our friends in Malaysia, a lot of them before cancer patients, end stage, you know. But now, doctors, not me, not Rosa, the doctors state that there is no cancer cells detected, but they still take AFC product, maybe lesser dosage, but still take it.
Yeah,
just
I would say get close to us, so your cancer hopefully will not come back, or other condition will not come to you, other health condition will not come to you. So another question, how effective is Hikari for senior with floater issues? How quick is the result?
Okay, I have 2 stories about this. One is my story, because I have floaters also. When I go to Korea, I have floaters. At that time, I contact also member in Malaysia who has the friend in Korea. Okay, I have floaters. I try Hikari, but I noticed the change for the vision on my right eyes. So both of the eyes actually not good. Actually, I have used glasses more than you, Rosa. Before,
Really?
before this is minus only 6 point something. Both of them.
Oh,
So actually, if I don't have my glasses, then if I don't have glasses, then I have to look like this. You know, where's my glasses, and cannot find it. You know, before. But then I do lasers on this eye, and the result so and so is not perfect, but at least without glasses I can see, blur also, but I can find my glasses. But now I use soft lens for this eye, you know. But since taking the AFC product, now the vision better. This one actually now this one which I this one now so good that is the vision so clear that make me feel like this one not good, you know. Because when I analyze, when you have something, then you feel it is when life like that, we never get satisfied. So this is my experience. But for my floaters, still there. But I'm also not taking the product regularly, only once a day. Sometimes forget, to take Hikari. That's me. I'm not punctual in taking supplement or like that. But I have one testimony that I think I already blasted in group. This is from my downline. She suffer from cataract. So actually the vision already have flares also, and also brown stuff because of the cataract. And it is severe already, so the eyes watery all the time, and also painful, the muscles near the eye, maybe because try to accommodate the vision,
Yes.
Using Hikari, not even 1 month, the symptom disappear already, and the floaters also.
Yeah, it's very good for the senior at home. I mean, for your parents or even yourself, if you are senior, like our age, I think everybody have floater. If you reach 50 something, 60, I think almost everybody have floater. Yeah, unless you have do some because it's a degenerative condition.
Yeah. So the question about how quick it will be different from person to person. Yeah. For my case, yes, because I'm not punctual, taking it 3 times a day. but also if I take 3 times a day, also of course my response with Rosa response with the other response will be different from person to person. Yeah. So just try to be punctual and take Subarasi, take Hikari.
Yeah. So Matthew still saying if just take AFC product alone to eliminate cancer, is it okay? Chemo loss of side effect, of course we know.
Yeah, just now I think I answered it already. A lot of Indonesians have cancer and disappear only consuming the products.
Yeah.
But having a lot of equipment, of course, better than have only one equipment.
Yeah. So
the decision is yours. Yeah. Because Matthew sometimes want to do this, but want to do that, and then force us to make decision. No, the decision you have to make.
Dr. Izim asks, will Hikari be able to treat colorblind? Any experience or clinical studies have been done?
I don't think so. Colorblind usually from genetics,
It's
so cannot. I don't think so, But we don't know. But I don't think so. So just try.
We cannot promise anything, but we see a lot of miracle. That's what I can say, right?
Yeah, but I'm a doctor, so I know colorblind, But if you are not a doctor, then because sometimes as a doctor, if I answer questions, I have the tendency to relate it to my medical science. So, like I told you stories about a lady have this big tumor, from here to here, and asked me, doctor, here to here. So, doctor, can we help this lady? I said, no. I think there's no chance, already too late,
Yeah.
But my downlines keep accompanying her, and then only in several weeks, the tumor this big already. So I think, wow. Sometimes, just try.
Doctors don't know.
Yeah.
So the last question before we end from Kenny, if a friend SGOT 140, SGPT 57 and got glucose high, take more SOP. Take more SOP or SOP.
Okay. My child, because he's so fat now, becoming a doctor. So now in medical faculty, so he become fat. I said, exercise later that when I graduate, Cannot. I said, this is your health. And then I think 1 month ago, 1.5 months ago, told me that I have emergencies because my SGOT and SGPT is so high. So high. And I said, of course, because you are not taking precautions with your health. So now a problem like that, I give him Utsukushi and Subarasi. Only in 1 month, I just go back from Surabaya. I met him and he said that the SGOT, SGPT go down a lot already. So use Utsukushi and Subarashi.
Yeah, yeah.
Also for glucose.
Yeah, very simple and very fast.
But if you ask me which one more SOP or Utsukushi, I prefer more Utsukushi for me. Yeah. But everybody different. Try to explore.
Yeah. Okay, so I think that's all.
Dr. Hasim, yeah. Dr. Hasim said that in Hikari presentation, it put colorblind as one of the indication. Yeah, that's why we can try. And please update me, update us if a colorblind patient already good. Yeah, because usually if AFC says something, it based on research.
Yes.
So you can believe it and try.
We're saying it might help in all these conditions because we actually see a lot of cases which we think, doctors think will not help, or we ourselves also think will not help. But at the end, we see a lot of improvement. Okay. How many SOP to take for diabetic for elderly patient?
Yeah, this is also differ from person to person because the reaction different for everybody. But one thing that I'm sure that if you take only one sachet, maybe for maintenance is okay. Yeah, some of them take only one sachet or one box already changed. Yeah, there is cases like that, extreme case that very, very good. Yeah, but for my general guidance is if you want to keep your to maintain your health, you can take one sachet. But if you want to do something with the illness, maybe 2 or more, 2, 3, one product or more. So if cancer, because this is serious, maybe take more again than that level. So we have several level that you can use. But of course, if you want to see the result, you take it more. Yeah. If you want to see it faster, yeah.
I just a patient 2 days ago, just taken his creatinine is 700 plus. Doctor drug him into a hospital, must do dialysis, but he took the product for 2 days only, and it dropped 100, become 600, so it stabilized and can drag on the dialysis. So thank you, everyone. I think is there anything you want to add, Dr. Yudi, before we end the session?
It's okay. Yeah. I'm happy to see you. Yeah.
Me too.
But maybe I want to emphasize something here about the financial condition. So it will be as big as you see it. If you see it big, then you will get the big result. If you see it small, then you will get the small result. So now everything goes back to you. I'm the person who don't believe in talent. I know there is talents, but to success, I don't believe we have to have very big talent. But I believe in changing our habit, in learning from time to time, and we can be everything we want. And I prove it in my life. I become a painter, I become a developer, I become everything, But to me, the most suitable thing for me is to become a good networker like in AFC, because it solves all the problem. Yeah.
Yes. And it helps so many people, right? It helps so many people in their health and in their wealth. So I think it's a very good business. I hope to see every one of us here in a cruise and bring your family together. Okay? Enjoy life.
Oh yeah. You will get free cabin, free food everywhere, because the cruise ship so big, and the restaurant open almost 24 hours. Yeah, you can eat everything you want. You can do, you want to do ping pong, you want to play basket, you want to play surfing, everything. Yeah, you fly and everything. You can do anything there, and still very easy to meet friends. I mean, to hang out. Yeah. Go to one deck with the nice breeze, go to the other deck with music or things like that. It's very, 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 very satisfying. We can visit 3 countries, so every one of you have to go there, and there you will find a lot of big leaders with the very, very strong mind that will change your life.
Yes,
they have strong mind, they have a very powerful experience, and you can also see how big ASC is. Yeah, so a lot of a lot of advantages. That's why you should chase the trips. Oh, now the trips almost over. I still don't have the ticket. If I were you, I will just pay and get the ticket. You know, I can sell the goods later. So just try. You have to join us in the cruise. Yeah, see you there.
Okay, we see you all in the cruise. Thank you very much and good night, everyone.
Okay, see you.
Bye bye. Bye bye.